The PM is back in the firing line. Former Coal Secretary P.C. Parekh, whom the CBI has named in its coal scam charge sheet, hit out this week, demanding to know why Manmohan himself has not been accused in the case. Then Manmohan Singh hit back, clearing his name in a fiery 10-minute speech before a packed crowd of... no, I'm joking, of course. Manmohan kept mum as usual, and it was Digvijay Singh who came to the rescue, as usual.
Looks like I have got a big one. Here goes.
ओए मुझे क्यों पकड़ लिया यार स्यापा
अरे throw that back in. How heartless to catch such a big fish.
मजा आ गया
Cook these instead. And hey, why have you stopped fishing?
Oh, why do I need to, Sarji, with you around?
Yes, I bet those waters are just teeming with fish to fry, of all shapes and sizes. But while on the subject of corruption, Arvind Kejriwal, of course, has been offering himself as a solution. He's been in our faces, on the backs of autos, in our ears on radio messages denouncing the corrupt ways of the Congress and the BJP. This week, the tables turned. Apparently, an anonymous telephone call is doing the rounds in Delhi, warning people against trusting the man who betrayed Anna Hazare. So, who is this anonymous Kejriwal hater? I'd say you need a good PI to crack this mystery.
Hello, citizens of Delhi. Do not vote for Arvind Kejriwal. You cannot trust a man who betrayed Anna Hazare. Hello, Private Investigator P.I. Singh.
Hello. Tiding. The case is cracked, sir.
Acha, what do you mean? Is it Sheila?
No, not Sheila. She hates you too much. Tiding.
Matlab?
Words aren't enough for her. She wants to break your tiding bones.
Wow!
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, मैं गिर गया था. Okay. Is it the BJP? Is it Anna himself?
No. Tiding. Anna has no telephone in his temple.
Arey bhai, then who is this anonymous attacker?
The man in the mirror.
The man in the... Oh! P.I. Singh. There is someone there.
Yes. Tiding. He's the culprit.
1 minute. Hey, stop making anonymous calls to defame me, okay?
Hey, stop trying to fool me. I am P.I. Tiding Singh.
You? I thought you were out investigating.
This is where my investigation ends.
Hey?
All publicity is good publicity. है ना अरविंद केजरीवाल? And nobody does telephone messages better than tiding you.
P.I. Singh, promise you won't tell anybody, and I will give you a ticket
For the election?
Yes.
Done deal. Tiding.
Yes, we understand, Arvind. Prank calls can be addictive and there's no such thing as negative publicity, right? Perhaps Mulayam Singh Yadav should remind himself of that. It's rare for a politician to display his vulnerability as openly as Mulayam did this week. He literally appealed to the people of UP not to punish him in the 2014 national elections for the poor governance of his party's MLAs. Why he should be deserving of such mercy is anybody's guess. After all, it's not as though Mulayam bears no responsibility for the ills of the UP administration. In fact, you could even say he gave birth to them.
No, spare me. Please, don't punish me. Papa, relax.
देखो क्या हो रहा है भाई?
Oh doctor, thank God you have come. पता नहीं पापा को क्या हो गया, कल रात से he has been shouting and screaming like this.
What does he say?
It wasn't me, it was our ministers, it was our government. Don't punish me, I beg of you.
I see. Akhilesh, actually, this is a very common condition at this time of year. Lot of people are catching this virus.
Really?
Mamata Banerjee, Jayalalitha, lot of people. In the medical profession, we call it the electionitis virus.
Electionitis?
Yes, your father has a serious
I
case.
wanna be a national leader. Don't punish me for state issues. Why should my Lok Sabha chances suffer because of my MLAs? No.
देखो, see,
Please, doctor, cure him fast.
ऐसा है. The electionitis virus is usually caused by close proximity to another virus, and that one we call the TG virus.
TB?
No, not TB. TG virus, the terrible governance virus.
But who is suffering from that one?
This is it. Just take it.
One bitter pill of people's verdict to be swallowed by both in 2014.